Welcome, Miss Das. Welcome, everybody.
A very thank you, Har, and all welcome today. So, all set for the storytelling competition.
Yes, ma'am.
So, you will be doing it in group or individually?
Group, ma'am.
Okay. So,
Those
will
who
you
want to do in group, they can do in group, and those who want to do
do
individually,
individually? They
yeah,
can go
it's their
ahead.
choice. It's
Yeah.
their
Okay.
choice.
Okay.
So,
Okay, ma'am.
मैं
so
कल सोई थी परसों में मैं नहीं सोती दोपहर में
Can you mute yourself, everyone? Please mute yourself. When it's your chance, then please unmute.
just a quick recap. Please, you can unmute yourself and let me know that from day 1 till day 3, what you have not understood and what you want to know more. And do you at all think that Jollyphonic is going to help you to upgrade your skill and make the learning literacy learning journey for your kids much better? Please, a quick recap. Those who have not understood a single thing or whatever you want to know, what you want me to explain once again, I will do that before we go into the storytelling competition. Please unmute yourself quickly.
Devjani ji, I think they are all prepared for the storytelling first. Let
No,
the
no, that of course I will go, but I
yeah.
need to do the recap little bit and then we will jump into the thing.
Okay,
So
okay.
just before because we have a little bit of time in hand. So can we go for a little bit of recap?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you all ready for the revision of 3 classes?
So,
Yes,
Radhika
ma'am.
ma'am, can you just let me know that how Jollyphonic is going to help you? Is it at all going to help you in upgrading your skill and implementing in the class?
Yes, ma'am. Until now, we used to teach with only the sounds. We never teach with the button method in this class. So this time we are going to try with the button method in the class itself.
So, do you think this sound buttons is really going to help the kids to?
Yeah, I think while as the generation get every year we are getting a new bunch of kids where they are having different mindset. So we have to work on with different way of teaching. So this time we are going to implement this button method also.
And what do you think that till now, whatever the rules we have done, the
ये
diagram
ऑप्शन आते हैं इसके अंदर में देखिए आपके तो
diphthong,
पहले
and then we will be doing the sound magic key, the bossy R rules. Are they really, these explanations is going to help your children to not, but you can remove them from the rote learning to a much more lifelong learner kind?
Sure, ma'am. Yes, because recently I implemented your story of C and K. Yesterday only we started our training session. At that time, I just give a gist of C and K, the same story also.
Okay, okay,
Before my vice principal ma'am also.
okay. So
Yeah,
it was helpful.
yeah, it's helpful.
It was like the reaction of the kids were good.
Yes.
Now next, who can tell me?
Neeti ji? Yeah, Neeti, unmute yourself, please. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, have
Ma'am,
you
actually,
understood
I
something?
would,
Yeah.
because maybe I was already aware of whatever has been taught till now, so it was like okay for me. But the children are very small. I take nursery class, and for them, phonics are something that they won't understand. So I
Okay.
think for me right now, like whatever has been done here, it is really difficult for me to tell them how to teach them about all these things. So it is becoming challenging for me.
So it is really going to help you now?
But ma'am, they are very small. To tell them what is a dictograph, what is a diagram.
No,
No,
we are
for
saying
your
ki,
class,
have you
these are all into level wise because you are teaching which year? Tell me which age group you are
nursery,
Nursery,
teaching.
nursery.
Huh?
nursery, 3+,
Nursery,
3+.
that is 3 years. So in
Yes,
3 years, what you're going to do? You're going to only introduce the sounds.
yes.
You don't use that these words.
Hmm.
Digraph or diphthong, you are not going to use it. You're just going to explain. You can tell the story of two vowels walking together. You can
Okay.
make them enact that, right? You can make them
Okay.
enact that. You can make them, you can explain them ki the first one will do all the talking. And the second one, the first one said, you cannot talk, keep quiet, put your finger on your lip. But the second one said, okay, I will, but you cannot use your sound. What is sound? Sound is the sound that we do with the action. And it has a name also. So it will only say its name. So
I will
3,
try because I think it will be really difficult for the age bracket of 3+ to
no.
understand these things. But still, I'll try to teach
Neeti
Okay.
them
ma'am,
the way
if
you
you
have
do
taught
it,
me.
if you do it through action, if you do it through enrollment, this is why this is becoming popular, because it is tasted. We are tasting it with throughout country, that how the children are responding, and they are responding very well. So it is up to you. You have to come out of your comfort zone and implement that in a fun way. Just don't go and just start with you just keep, like Radhika ma'am said, that the story, C and K story,
Mhm.
tell them through
Yes.
stories. Give them lot of
Okay.
examples of stories. You can ask them to enact those stories.
Okay.
Right.
I'll try to use these things in my class.
Yeah, once you do it, see, anyways, challenges will come. But
Because the age bracket that I'm dealing with is they're very small.
3 years is
Yeah.
okay, ma'am. Basically we begins the sound. We introduce the sound at when the children are 2 years. We have been doing it. We are doing it
Okay.
since quite some time. So only the sounds can be introduced since 2 years. 2 to 3 years, the sounds are being introduced. Recognition part is done. Right.
Okay.
So from 3.5, you can start telling them about the 2 vowels walking together, the C and K story. You can narrate them through, bringing them, calling them in front of others. And, the C is small and this one is tall. So C is little naughty. Or you can
Okay.
get the naughty kids out. And one shant bacha, usko. You can show them the example. This girl is naughty and this boy is shant. Now she stole the 2 magic sounds. So you can keep the magic sounds, you call 5 kids separately. Now this is this is a, this is e, this is o, this is a. So
Okay.
they are the magic words, because with them we can only speak. You can write something like this is r, this is a, this is g, reg. There is no word called reg. It has got no meaning.
Just Devjani ji, just a small information. We will be doing a revision class before the exam, so that if you people have any doubts or anything, we can clear it. Okay. And still, if you have doubts, it's your wish. If you want to give exam or not, it's totally completely upon you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can we start with the storytelling, Devjani ji?
Yeah.
Yeah. Who
So
wants to?
now
Thank
you
you, ma'am.
please let the storytelling competition begins. And after that, once it is over, what you can do, you can write down, like Neeti ma'am said that my kids are very small. I don't know how to do it. So like this, if you can all write down the points, right? See, digraph, this term is for you to understand.
Okay.
Diphthong is a term for you to understand. Now, of course, a 2 years child will never understand what is a dag. They won't be able to pronounce it properly.
Yes.
Correct. So you have to segregate that when to introduce what. Of course, a UKG child will absolutely can understand the concept of digraph and diphthong. That is 5+.
Yes.
We can start now with the.
Just 1 minute.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right. So that is how you can do it.
Okay, ma'am.
So let's start with your storytelling. Which group is going to do? Because I'll be giving the mark.
Ma'am, we will be doing the first. Naraini ma'am, me and Anuradha ma'am.
Ek minute, let me bring everyone on the screen.
No, just let me
Anuradha
know
ma'am,
the names.
Anuradha ji. And
Let me know
who?
the names.
And
Naraini.
you all are from Indus School, na?
Valley.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Indus
Yes,
Valley.
yes, yes, yes.
And the fourth one?
We
No,
three
we
are
three.
doing.
Acha, go ahead now. Yes, yes.
So what is
Okay.
what are the names? Ashima,
Yes, Ashima,
Ashima and
Anuradha.
Naraini,
Anuradha. Anuradha,
And Narayani.
Narayani.
Narayan.
They are from Indus School.
Indus Valley.
ठीक है, group
Indus
A.
Valley, yeah. Just from Indus, yeah.
Indus
Start,
Valley.
yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Shall you start, ma'am?
Yes, yes, please go ahead. Yes.
Good evening, everyone. So let's start the story. Ashima is okay. Ashima ma'am, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay. Hello, everyone. She is Nina, the nurse. She reads newspaper every day at 9. At noon, she felt hungry.
Oh, I'm so hungry. I need food. I'm so hungry.
She ate nuts,
Nuts.
chips,
Chips.
and cherry.
Do you like cherries?
Yes.
I like.
Nice. Even I like cherries.
In the evening, she went to church. And there she met her friend Charlie.
Hello.
Hi, Charlie.
Nina.
Hi, Charlie. How are you, Charlie?
I'm good, Nina. How are you doing?
I'm doing good. Charlie, after the church, can we go to garden?
Yes, we can go for a walk.
Okay, let's go.
Both of them spent a lovely evening together.
You.
Very
Okay,
nice.
bye. Bye,
Fantastic.
Charlie.
Fantastic.
Okay.
Absolutely flawless. Very nice. See, Neeti ma'am, you can learn one thing. If they are doing this enactment, if this
Can others
do it
mute
with the
yourself,
kids,
please?
don't you think that they will enjoy it more than the learning? What all of you, what the three of you think that if the kids they do it, they will enjoy more than the learning?
Yes.
Narayani ma'am and Asima ma'am and
Yes, ma'am.
They will.
Anuradha ma'am, don't you think that they are going to enjoy this?
Yes, they will.
Yes,
The
ma'am.
learning will,
Yes, ma'am.
once they enjoy, the learning will automatically happen.
Ma'am, we have some question also to ask to the audience. Means for the
Yes.
children.
Yeah, please
Yeah.
go ahead. Yes.
Okay, so now after this, session, now Narayani ma'am will ask the questions to everyone. So everyone, are you ready? At least tell me you're
How
ready.
interesting.
Okay, teachers,
Okay.
please join
So
us in
now-
this fun activity.
Okay. Narayani ma'am, go on, please.
Okay. Teachers, please join us in the activity. Please tell me, what is the name of the nurse?
Nina.
Please join us.
Nina.
That's great.
Nina.
Let's clap for us. And
Nina.
what did Nina eat with sound?
Nuts.
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 That's great. That's great. Thank you so much, everyone.
Very
Okay, so
nice.
now after this, Anuradha ma'am will tell you the sound of sound and sound here, and
Not
the sound we
na
have
and
used
n.
in
Ma'am,
it's
never say
it's
na and n. Okay,
okay.
because the purest form of phonics, that what you're the purpose of doing Jollyphonic is, na and n is not the right formation. It's always you should say like Narayani ma'am said,
Sound, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so now Anuradha ma'am will explain you the sound. Okay, Anuradha ma'am.
Now I'll tell you. Hello everyone. Now I'll tell you what are the words we use with sound. Nine, nine, nuts, nuts, nuts. Newspaper, newspaper. Then nurse, nurse. And Nina, Nina. Thank you.
Excellent. See, this is one day you have done this. One day you do with the recognition. One day you can again do a revision. So within a day, a child is not going to recognize the word, the letter. And you have to come out of that no no. All of you are going back to no. It's no more no. You have to understand this is
Yeah.
right? So now next
Sound.
group.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Awesome.
Big round of applause for all of them. All three of them.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Now
you.
who wants to go?
The learning outcome is fantastic.
Now who is next? Who wants to come?
Ma'am, we want to come. I am
You
Sudha Kurapati from
and
Epistemo. We are a group of 4 teachers teamed up to narrate a story using
okay.
digraphs. So, I am Sudha Kurapati, and the other ma'am is Radhika Ramya.
Just a
And
minute. Let me pin Radhika ji. And now, yeah.
and Srujana.
Just a minute. Just a minute. Can you say? Please switch on your cameras. What's the name you are telling?
Srujana Pulikonda.
Radhika ma'am's this thing is there.
Radhika Ramya Pakalapati.
Yeah, she is there.
And
Radhika
one more ma'am is Taposhi ma'am.
Taposhi ma'am. Okay.
Acha. Okay. Acha. And fourth one.
Sudha Kurapati.
Srujana, right?
Sudha ji. Okay,
Yes.
Sudha ji. Just a minute.
Sudha ma'am.
Yeah, let me
Yes, ma'am.
search her name first.
Sudha. S-U-D-H-A.
No,
Sudha-
I know the spelling, but I am just
Kurapati.
searching.
Kurapati.
Ma'am, it's Pulikonda Srujana.
Pilikonda Srujana. So I have
Yes.
written correctly only.
Yes.
Srujana. Right.
Ma'am,
Yes,
my voice audible? Taposhi
Yeah, you
Bhattacharya.
are audible.
Oh,
Yeah,
yes.
Thank you.
Okay. So to narrate the story, the name of the story is The Shan and the Ship. So we are using a diagram for this. Here is a boy named called Shan. He has a shiny ship. Shan has a shiny ship.
Now he shop for the shells with his fish.
Splash, splash.
Goes the ship near the shore.
Shan and fish smile happily. So here we are using a diagram of sound on Shan, shiny,
Op shop
ship,
and shell.
and ish, fish. These are the diagrams we have used. And
Now, when
Also
you are
splash.
telling the children that this is diagram, how will you explain them that this is which age group? Firstly, tell me that which age group you will be dealing
For
with.
PP2, ma'am.
ma'am.
PP2 means
UKG.
LKG.
UKG.
UKG.
UKG. Okay,
Yes,
they will understand the term digraph. Correct? So
Yes,
there you
yes.
can, before going into this story, the story was outstanding, very nice. But I think there should be, Tapushi ma'am's expression was very nice. Splash, splash, the eyes and that smile. So little bit more of expressions was there, because storytelling means expression, voice modulation. Correct. Because if I say the girl was crying, it is a flap. But if I say the girl was crying, children is going to connect that how crying looks like. Correct. So little bit of expressions and voice modulations. That is it. But the story is absolutely correct. The timing was very nice, because a children will not listen more than this. They will not they will not connect.
Yes, ma'am. We
If it
made
is
one
more-
more story with blends also. So
Okay.
as you mentioned 2 stories, that's why we made 2 stories, ma'am.
Yeah, please go
Problem.
ahead. Yes,
Please,
yes.
please.
Going to start the
Now,
story. The
Yeah,
name
so
of
now I
story-
want all of you to expressions, little bit more.
Yes, ma'am.
With the voice
Sure.
modulation and a smiling face.
The name of the story is A Frog and a Chick. One day, a frog went to a trip with a chick.
They are enjoying and they slipped in a mud.
No, Splash! They fell down. Both laughed with a big grin.
Big green.
See the change.
Very
the first story
nice.
and the second story.
Very nice.
Can you feel it?
Yes.
The change?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. We planned like that only. One will be like formal way, one will be
Ma'am,
like funny
we
way.
also feeling shy. That's why
No,
little bit of
nothing. We are teachers.
You are the educator. See, you should not
We-
be shy.
Especially we are the ECCE teachers. So
Yeah.
ECCE teachers' character is like that you will be always
Always
jumping,
with
singing, dancing, your expressions, full of expressions, full of, life.
Yes.
So that
Yes,
then
ma'am.
only,
Yes,
because
ma'am.
it is all about making your classroom happy classroom.
Yes, ma'am.
The more you are happy, the kids will be happy.
Yes.
Right? So, what do you think that if you do introduce, now what you can do, suppose you introduce these 2 story, now you can tell the children, ask the children that what is the difference between the blending and the digraph?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
How can you identify with your ears? Ship, frog.
They are
Check,
making different sounds.
check. Right?
Frog.
Yes,
Then,
yes.
frame. What? Shh. So now you can ask them, can you tell me that? What is the difference? How you can identify digraph? Digraph means a different sound. Can you hear h and h when we are saying ch? No. When we are saying sh, it is s and h. Where are they? They're gone. A new word has come up. It's sh. But in frog, we can hear f and
Yes. Yes.
separately,
Yes.
right? So these are blending. We can hear them. And when they change into one, they are digraph, because they are one sound, a different sound, right? So
Yes.
see, the story makes the children, the things much more entertaining for them, and the learning happens much faster. You enjoyed it, right?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
So you enjoyed it. That means that enjoyment is automatically is going to go into the children.
To the kids.
Yes. So next one.
Yeah, very nice. All of you,
Thank
very
you, ma'am.
nice.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
And now who is coming?
Especially the second one was very nice.
Yeah,
I loved it.
they have actually decided this way only. Okay, first will be little simple and second they will modulate.
Yes,
So that
ma'am.
you can see
was
that, so
all-
that you can see the difference.
That's
Yeah,
why we
the
prepared
thing
for
is,
two
I'm-
stories.
Yes, I do understand. Yes.
these two group, that the best part is that you have make sure that the stories are very small and absolutely within the time, because the children are not going to listen more than this. They will not, because their attention span is only that much.
Yes.
So thank you so much. The next.
Thank you.
Now who is coming?
I will, ma'am.
Tell me your name. I can't. Yeah.
Ma'am, my name is Supriya Jain.
Let me come to you first. And you have a team, or you will be giving alone, or somebody else is
Yes,
there?
I'm doing alone, ma'am.
Let me pin you, then you can start. Just a moment. Supriya Jain. Okay. Just a minute. And then you. Yeah, Supriya Ji. Yes.
So, good afternoon, everyone. My story is The Frog on the Flag. The Frog on the Flag. So, a little frog named Froggy lived near a red flag. Every morning, Froggy jumped from a fresh green leaf and said, "Today I will fly. Today I will fly. Today I will fly." But we all know frog cannot fly. Still Froggy tried. First he tried with help of two little flowers. Two little flowers to his arms. Flap, 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 he shouted, jumped and splash, splash, straight into the pond. So fish laughed, ha 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 ha, ha 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 ha. Frogs not fly, they only flip. So frog understood that frog only flips, not fly. So next day he climbed up on the red flag and jumped into the water. Flip, flip, flip. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. Thank you, Supriya Ji.
Very
Yeah.
nice. And within the time, there was a little bit of expression was there, but little bit more, if you say that when you said fish laughed, it was very nice. It laughed, ha ha ha, in a nice way. That was like, so when you are introducing frog, you can say it is a blending frog,
Yes. Wow.
then and frog and we can hear separately, right? So the children are going to, you can make them enact also. Like you can
Okay,
bring one child, because see, the more you involve the children, the more they will be entertained, they will be engaged, they will be, the learning will be much more faster. The explanation will be much more faster. Very nice. Three groups.
Thank
Three
you, ma'am.
groups are very good. So your name is ma'am?
Ma'am, Supriya Jain.
Supriya Jain.
Priya.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Now who is coming?
Ma'am, Poonam Bathial.
Yes.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, good evening.
Ma'am, 3 teachers का group है, Poonam Bathial, Divya and Neeraj Mavi.
आपने बताया दिव्या and
Neeraj Mavi and Poonam.
Yes, good evening, ma'am. Divya here.
Neeraj.
Just a minute. Just a
Right.
minute.
This is group C. Individual.
Divya ma'am.
Divya Sinha, you are talking about?
Yes,
Divya
ma'am.
Sharma.
Divya Sharma. Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, good evening. एक minute. Divya Sharma. Actually, there are two Divyas. That's the problem. Yes. Yeah. You three are there na in the group?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, go ahead. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Good evening to all. So today we are going to introduce the sound of ng. There are two letters, N and G. These are two digraphs and making one sound. The sound is ng. Like I have this picture, ring, R-I-N-G. It has four letters but three sounds. The last sound is ing. So we are repeating ng. Sang the king on the swing.
His golden ring went cling, cling in the wind. Everyone smiled and sang along happily. Thank you.
Very nice. But there was lack of little bit of story was little lacking. That story would have been little bit more. Right. Otherwise, your explanation is very good. Divya ma'am, just one thing. These two
Yes, ma'am.
letters are not digraph. That is not wrong. These two letters are making digraph.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
They are joining to make one digraph. Correct?
One sound.
So separately their sound. And when you are talking about the class, about the sound, then when you are explaining ring, you should not say R-I-N-G. It should be then E. E. And ring. E.
Ring.
Right?
Oh.
Okay. Yes,
Thank
Neeraj ma'am,
you,
you were
ma'am.
showing something?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, do that.
In words, ma'am. Sound of
Oh, lovely.
Sound of in story, and then sound of in role play.
Very nice. Good. Very nice. Okay. So then, Shru,
Now who is coming?
yours are over? Yours are over?
Yeah.
Okay. So now,
Good evening, ma'am. Anjali this side
Just
from
Anju.
Indus.
Anju.
Anju Ali, yeah, Anju Ali from Indus Valley Public School. Now, as we are teaching LKG, so we will introduce the letter B sound B. Okay, so we are not introducing digraph, right, ma'am? And with me, Anjali.
Anjuji, just a minute. Let me. Yeah, now you are there. Yeah. Yes.
With me, I'm Anju Ali, and then Anjali Malik and Niti ma'am also there.
As a Niti ma'am. Okay, let me
Yes.
bring all on the same platform, then we can start. Please, please mute yourself because it will be very difficult. You are saying Anjali Malik also? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, and Niti ji. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, just a minute. Just a minute. Yeah. Yes.
Shall we start now, ma'am?
Yeah, please.
Okay, so good evening, everyone. So as we are introducing the sounds, so already we know the letter A and the sound of letter A. Today we are learning the new letter B. B says B. The story goes with the new words like, one day a little bunny named Ben was playing. Bunny was playing in the garden. His name was Ben, and he was playing a big red ball. Bunny was playing big red ball. Ball goes bounce, bounce, bounce. Ball goes like bounce, bounce, bounce. Next, Anjali, you. Anjali, are you there? Oh, she's joining again. Anjali?
Maybe some network
Okay.
issues is there.
Yes.
Maybe.
Yes.
Yes.
Anjali, should I start?
Okay.
Oh, okay, Anjali, now you can start.
Anju, have you complete your part?
Yes, yes. Ball goes bounce, bounce, bounce. Then suddenly,
Okay. Now suddenly the ball rolled near the bush.
yes, ball rolls near the
Near
bush.
the bush. Oh no! My ball, said Ben. Behind the bush was a baby bird, and the
Okay.
bird was scared. Ben smiled and said, "Don't worry, little bird." Now Neeti ma'am turn.
Ben gave the bird some berries. Ben gave the bird some berries and water. The bird chirped happily. Bee, bee, bee. The bird chirped happily. Bee, bee, bee. Then the bird pushed the ball back to the Ben. Thank you, Ben. They both started playing. Now the Ben, the bunny, and bird, they played together with a big red ball. They all played together with a big red ball. Thank you.
So today we learnt new words with the b sound. Bunny, ben, big, ball, bush, behind, baby bird, and bees and berries. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
It was very nice. The characters were awesome, and it was absolutely with the sound, timing, everyone. But the little bit of expressions was should have been more, so that the bird was very happy, like that. That
Okay, noted, ma'am.
expression. Yeah, because see, children only understand your expressions.
Right, ma'am.
They can relate
Got
with you. Otherwise, if you say, I was very happy.
Correct, ma'am.
Got it, ma'am. Got it.
But if I say, oh my God, I was so happy. I'm very scared. Oh no. Like Anjali ma'am did, na? Scared.
Yes.
So little bit, you have to be more. Because see, you are dealing with an age group where they only understand your expressions, your body language.
Right, ma'am.
They cannot relate with the words. They can only relate with the words unless and until you are expressing them that way. We have those emotions, those emotions like sad, angry. We show them, na? So if we only show them the symbols, they will not be able to. If you show them on your face, they can relate it immediately. Or if you can ask the children, one kid, come on, today are you angry with me? No, ma'am. Yes, I can see that big guy. Okay, I was angry on you. So when I was angry, how I would look like? They can relate it. That angry means with big eyes, with heavy voice, So that is how. So otherwise the stories are amazing. The characters are amazing. The timing is absolutely correct. A big round of applause. Clap.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now who is coming next?
Who's the next?
Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, what's the name?
My mother teacher of LKG.
Kya naam? Sorry, come again. What's your name?
Renu Khanna.
Yeah, just a minute. Let me find you on this.
Yeah, you have already, I think, tagged her.
Renu Khanna from OGPS Kheda.
And Renuji with you, who are there?
I'm alone, ma'am.
Acha, let me
But
Tag
Renki, I
you.
cannot see you. It is half something is blocking your. Yes.
Okay, good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Yeah, good evening.
Ma'am Renu Khanna, mother teacher
Yes,
of
yes.
OGPS Kheda.
Yeah.
Okay, good evening, ma'am. I am introducing letter S and A.
Sound. You have to say sound. I'm introducing the sounds and A.
I'm introducing letter S. A. Sam, the dog, saw a snack in the grass. The snake went. Students, snakes in on your table, and sound also. Suddenly, an ant crawled in onto Sam's arm. Sam shook his two arms and cried, ah, 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 stop, stop, don't bite me, stop, stop. Thank you, ma'am.
Very nice, Renuji.
Thank
It was really nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
The props were very good. Your story was also very nice. You're using the sounds very nicely. But one thing, all of you, I just say that when you are talking about the introduction part, never say the letter A, letter B, letter so and so. Always say, today, you know what? We are going to introduce a sound. Sound.
Okay, ma'am.
Or what is A? How A looks like. So you can show how A looks like and then you start the story. Okay. So next.
Thank you, Renuji. Thank you. Yeah, next who is coming?
Good evening, ma'am. Sampurna Sarma, OGPS Kheda.
Just a minute. Sampurna ji, and with you?
No, ma'am. I tell the story individual.
Okay, just a minute. Let me. Yes, Sampurna ji, go ahead.
Okay. Hello, children. How are you? Today we will learn the sound of letter A. Okay, so I will tell the story. Are you excited? Okay, ma'am will tell the story. One day, a little boy went a beautiful garden with his mother. The garden was full of green grass and apples. The boy was very happy. While playing, he was tired and he sat on the grass. Suddenly, he felt something tickling on his leg. He shouted, he shouted, "Oh no, some tiny ants are climbing on my legs." And he jumped up and shouted, "Ah, ah, ants on my arms! Ah, ah, ants on my leg!" Thank you, ma'am.
Very good. And the expression was also nice. Very nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good.
Thank you.
Now next who?
Yes, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Tell me your name. I can
Ma'am,
see
my
it.
name is Nupur.
Your name is?
Nupur.
Nupur ji, just a minute. Let me come to you. And with you alone or with the
I'm the mother teacher of Oxford Green Public School, Kheda branch.
No, you are alone?
Yes,
You'll be
ma'am.
doing it alone? Okay.
Just a
Yes.
minute. Let me.
Should I start with?
Yeah.
Just a minute. Let me tag you. I'm Nupur नाम बताया ना आपने अपना?
हाँ, वो
Yes,
I
sir.
think you have already
NPU1, Nupur.
Nupur Chaturvedi.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Nupur
Okay.
Chaturvedi. And
Just
I'm
a
the
minute.
mother teacher of grade 1, Oxford Green Public School in Khera branch.
Yes, go ahead.
Okay. Hello, good evening once again, ma'am. And Sam had a red hand. Sam is red red hand. The hand is set on the box. Tap, tap, bend the box. Sam ran to see the came 6 little cheeks. One cheek had a red cap. One cheek had a pink pen. One tiny cheek sat on a mud pot. Cluck, cluck, said the hand. Sam fed the cheeks with corn the jam. At sunset, the cheeks slept in a warm nest. Sam smiled and said, "My hand and cheeks are the best." So the thank you, ma'am.
No, it was very nice, but when you are telling a story to the children, you need to have some kind of props in your hand. Or you need to ask the children to enact.
Yes, ma'am.
Right, because children will not understand line by line, because the kids, maybe the little elders, class 2, 3, 4, 5 kids can understand if we narrate a story. So when you are narrating a story, you need to have something in your hand. Right? Some props. Otherwise, the story was good. And the timing was also good.
Now who is coming for the story?
So I'll just take a moment before the next batch starts. Till now, see, when you are telling the story, what do you feel the children will understand or not? Or is this going to help you, or this is not going to help you? Tell me honestly, a very honest feedback. Come on, please. Fast, because we have to move on.
Yes, ma'am. Naturally, with expressions and props, the children are definitely going to learn the story of whatever we are going to tell them.
But always remember, the story comes as a recap of the sound. Not either it should be an introduction story or it will be a recap. In between, you have to do a lot of activities with them, actions. They will love to understand the story that way. Yes, of course, they will love. Right. So either it should be an introductory story and a recap story. In between, you have to do lot of activities with them while you are dealing with any sound. Okay. Once again, I'm saying that there are terms which are not for your nursery or the LKG children. LKG children, you can introduce those terms at the end of the year, not in the beginning. Okay. So next.
Who is coming for the story?
Yes, ma'am.
Good
Good
evening,
evening.
Just what's your name?
Priya, ma'am. From OG Sirsa.
Pardon? What, Priya? Okay. And you will be doing alone?
Yes, we are 5. No, ma'am. We are 5 participants in this story, ma'am.
Okay. Tell me the names.
Monica, ma'am. Pakshi, ma'am.
And
Sonam, ma'am. And Varsha,
just a minute. Just a minute.
Okay, ma'am.
Monica Tyagi? Yes.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
and
Pakshi.
Your voice is. Can you raise your hands? Who is there? Please raise your hand. It will be easy for me.
सॉरी मैम, नेटवर्क इशू है मैम.
हाँ वही ना. आप और मोनिका जी, और थर्ड वन क्या बता? अच्छा मोनिका.
पक्षी मैम.
Pakshi ma'am.
अच्छा. Okay.
सोनम मैम एंड वर्षा मावी मैम.
Okay. Okay. वर्षा मावी में और नाम अपने सोनम जी.
Sonam ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Sakshi ma'am, right?
साक्षी. हाँ. And
नो मैम. पाक्षी मैम.
Pakshi.
Okay. Pakshi में. Okay, fine.
Yes.
Are you sure she is there in the chat session today?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I can't find her name actually.
Ma'am, Bhavna Saxena name in this meeting, ma'am. Pakshi ma'am, please tell your name.
Monica Tyagi ji, Varsha, Priya, and Pakshi, you are telling, and fifth one who is there?
Ma'am, Sonam ma'am.
Sonam ji. Okay, yes. Right? And one more.
Yes.
Can you raise your hand, whosoever is Pakshi ma'am, jo bhi, sorry, I am not getting your name first of all.
Priya, Monica ma'am, Sonam ma'am, Upasana, Pakshi. Pakshi, so I cannot also see.
फ्लाइट चलेगी जल्दी फ्लाइट में इसको मिनट फ्लाइट चले ना लाइट जला दो.
You, all four of you can start. If she is there, then she will join us.
Yes, ma'am.
No, the name you are telling, she is not there in that session now.
Pakshi, na?
In this in
Today's
Bhavna
meet. Yeah. Bhavna ji is there. You want Bhavna ji to be there? Bhavna ji, you want to join them? You four can start the story because others have to be do.
Yes, ma'am. Pakshi
Yeah.
ma'am, please unmute yourself.
She is not there in the meet actually. There is no names, the Pakshi, what you are telling me in the meet.
बल्कि पीछे की गिर गया है.
Ma'am, in this session, Pakshi ma'am showing as Bhavna Saxena.
मैम ट्विंकल जी, भावना सक्सेना को आप पिन कीजिए.
Now is it okay? Bhavna ji, you are with them? Unmute yourself. Okay. Please unmute yourself. Yeah.
Pin Sonam ma'am also.
Sonam ji is there now? Now you can start, please. You five all are there.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please start.
Good evening, everyone. We are from OGPS Sirsa branch. We are taking digraph SH. The word is brush. In this word, the sound 5 letters. In this word, the letters are 5, but sound is 4. Now we are going to start a story on brush word. Now there was a boy. There was a boy. His name is Bunny. Bunny. Now next turn is Sona ma'am, please unmute yourself.
Sonamji, can you unmute yourself?
तुम क्या Sonam ma'am is not
So,
there, ma'am.
I think some network issues are there.
Yes, ma'am.
Monica ji, you can start.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. Good evening to all. He is playing with an umbrella. A umbrella. He is playing with an umbrella. A umbrella. Next turn is Pakshi ma'am. Your turn, ma'am. Please unmute yourself.
Bhavna ma'am have left.
Darsa ma'am.
Good evening, everyone. Mummy said, shh, shh, baby is sleeping. Shh, shh.
You are all done with the story?
No,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Two is left.
Pardon? Sonamji, we are waiting for you. If you are... She can't unmute herself.
She has unmuted, but
Madam, we
somehow
can't...
her,
Haan, the network issues are there, I think.
her voice is not connected. Sona ma'am, if you can log out and log in again.
Ma'am, we can play as a Bhavna ma'am.
Yeah, please, you can do. Yeah, please do it.
Okay, ma'am. In the
Yeah.
last, now student tell me what is this? This is a brush. You know, today we can sing a rhyme on brush. Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Brush it up and brush it down. Move the round, round and round.
Okay. Now just tell me one thing. Was there any story? Was there any story?
Sorry, ma'am.
Story
Ma'am,
था क्या?
we have taken 5 words for there was a little boy. His name is Bunny. The second
But it
the
is not a
second letter
story.
is
It is not a story.
You have to connect all the sounds so that you can make a story.
Make a
Yes,
story.
ma'am.
It has to be a story. Like in the last group, right? The Nupurji said, this is a boy, he jumped, he played. So there was a story in that. So it was like This is a brush. You are showing the object and talking about it. This is a boy. This is a ball. You're just showing the object. There needs to be a story. Like this is a boy and he was playing with a ball and the ball fell in the pool. The bee came to him like that. Did you understand what
you have to connect the dots actually.
You have all sounds were there, but you were introducing the object. Can anyone tell me that what was missing in their story?
Connection.
Who was, yes, Twinkle जी, इन लोगों को बताने दीजिए. आप बताओ कि इसमें कनेक्शन आपको तो
मैम सोनम मैम वाज अनकनेक्टेड, तो उसकी वजह से हमारा थोड़ा, क्योंकि मेन चीज जो थी वो सोनम मैम के पास ही थी, हमारा जो भी बनाया था.
चलिए सोनम जी अभी बाद में रीजॉइन करेंगी. वी विल मेक कंप्लीट द स्टोरी.
ओके मैम, ओके मैम.
बात दिखाने का नहीं था, बात था एक स्टोरी का.
They are saying कि सोनम is the main bridge between all those
मैम जो हमारी स्टोरी का ज्यादा पार्ट था वो सोनम मैम के पास था.
वो ब्रिज थी सोनम जी.
तो we will come back later on again to hear your story.
Now who wants to come for the story?
Good evening, ma'am.
Sakshi ji.
Sakshi ma'am.
Please mute yours. Others mute yourself. Don't want to. Yes, Sakshi ji, please.
Good evening, everyone. Today we are going to present a short sound short story. Our story title is Sean's Birthday Party. Before starting my story, I would like to introduce my team members. Ankita Singh ma'am. Another is Priya Mishra ma'am. And the third one is Sony Bhati.
Just a minute. Just a minute. Too many sounds are there. Please mute yourself, everybody. Yes, Sakshi ji. You have told what's the name?
First member, Ankita Singh ma'am. Second member, Priya Mishra ma'am. Third one, Sony Bhati ma'am.
Ankita Chauhan you are talking about, or Ankita Singh?
Ankita Singh.
Ankita Singh.
Okay.
And myself, Sakshi Goyal.
Sakshi ji, Ankita ji, and?
Yes, from OGPS Sirsa.
Okay. And any member missing right now in your story now?
We are fourth, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
So you are the three right now? Acha, Priya Mishra.
Yes, ma'am. I also.
Yeah. I've seen your hand. Let me go back to the.
So everyone, shall we start the story?
Just a minute. Let Priya ji join you now. Then you can start it. Priya ji, are you there? This is the same Priya ji you are searching for?
Yes, ma'am. I am Priya Mishra. I am also
Priya,
member.
Sakshi, Ankita, and this Priya.
Yes, ma'am. Ankita here. Ankita Singh.
Ma'am, I am a Priya Mishra, not Priya only. I am a Priya Mishra.
Priya Mishra, yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
I have mentioned that, Priya Mishra.
Okay, ma'am.
So you are four.
Yes, ma'am. We are four.
Okay.
So, shall we start the story? Are you excited to enjoy my story? Okay, thank you. Here we go. Okay. Hello, everyone. I am Sean. Sean. Do you know that today is my birthday? I'm very happy. Look at here. This is my birthday. And look, I have here shiny shirt and shiny shoes. I know I'm very excited because my mother has bought a lovely, delicious chocolate cake for me from the bake shop. Look at here. I'm ready with all. This is my birthday cake. Hmm. Ankita ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Doorbell, ma'am. Open doorbell.
Ding dong.
Yes. Sound is clear?
Yes,
No.
yes.
Okay.
Yes. Next.
Hi, I am Sargun and meet my pet Seggy.
Hello. Hello, I am Shiva. Shiva. And this is my sheep. Its name is Shai. Look, I am a Shai. Now together we
Okay.
all are.
Now
Now,
I would share the lovely, delicious chocolate shakes to my friends. Chocolate
Wow.
shakes and
wow,
snacks
it's
also.
yummy.
Wow, very
Very,
yummy.
very.
Now it's a time to cut the cake with the happy birthday music.
Yes. Let's sing together. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear
Happy
Sean. Happy birthday to you.
Very good. Very good. It's a big round of applause because all
And
with express.
thank you everyone. Thank you everyone for making my birthday super special and super shining. Love you all, my friends.
Tony ma'am, it's up to you, ma'am. Please, moral of the story.
Moral of the story is always be kind, always be happy, and always be shining.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you everyone.
Very nice. There was a lot of expressions, so many props, and there was a story.
Thank you so much.
Thank you,
There was a
ma'am.
story.
ma'am.
It was a big round of applause. Fantastic. And it was really nice and well coordinated. Okay. So next one.
Now next, who is coming?
Ma'am Ankita Chauhan.
Okay.
Good evening,
Individual?
ma'am.
Individual?
Good evening. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Just a minute. Just a minute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, go ahead. Yeah.
Yes. My name Ankita Chauhan, OGPS Kheda, ma'am, for LKG class.
Okay.
Okay. Good evening, everyone. Today we are introduce the sound of the. Once upon a time, there was a girl named Dolly. Dolly had a dog. Dolly had a dog. She loves to dance and play the drum. When she played the drum, it went da 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 da. So the sound of da is the sound of D da da da. Thank you.
It was
Unmute
very
yourself.
good.
Yeah.
Very good. Short, to the point. Nice.
Thank you.
But
Thank
a
you.
little more story element would have been added more, fineness. It was good. It was good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good evening,
Now,
ma'am.
Ma'am.
I'm
Yes.
Shweta Khari from Sirsa branch.
Good evening, ma'am.
Just a minute. Just a minute. Just a minute. What's your name? Yeah, Shweta ji.
Yes, ma'am. We are in a team.
Acha, you and
Preeti Sharma
just a minute. Let
and
me.
Neha Singh.
Okay, Preeti Sharma and Neha.
Yes, ma'am.
Monica ji, please mute yourself.
Shall I start, ma'am?
Let me they have to join you, na? They all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
They have joined.
Acha, just a minute. Neha ji.
Yes, ma'am.
And
I'm here.
and who else?
Ma'am,
Preeti
Preeti
Sharma.
Sharma.
Preeti,
I
ma'am.
am Preeti Sharma.
Kavita, ma'am.
I am Preeti Sharma, ma'am.
Raise your hand. I can't see you. Acha, you
Yes,
are.
ma'am. I am Preeti Sharma.
We are only three, ma'am.
Okay.
ID of Divya Sharma, I think.
Ma'am, I'm
Yes. Is it fine? You four are there?
Ma'am,
No, ma'am. We are three.
So Kavita ji is not there, matlab, na?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now it's fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Chaliye, let's start.
I just want
So
to
today we are going to
one minute.
Yeah.
Okay,
Shweta Khari, Preeti Sharma, Neha, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Start.
We are going to introduce a sound AI. A. AI sound is A. A story is Reina the snail and the paint trail. Reina was a tiny snail with a colorful tail. She loved to paint. One day, it started to rain, tip, tip, tip. But Reina had a bright idea. I will paint like rainbow on my tail. She said. Preeti ma'am.
Don't be sad, Rena. Let's wait for the sun. Sad me. Neha, ma'am.
Unmute yourself,
Neha,
Neha ji.
ma'am.
Unmute yourself first. Yeah.
But oh no, the rain washed the paint away. Rana felt sad. My rainbow is gone, she said.
The rain stopped. The sun came out.
We can make a rainbow in the sky. And guess what? And guess what? A real rainbow appeared.
Rana and Neil smiled. Our tails will shine next time.
Slowly, slowly, very slowly, very slowly, creeps the garden. Slowly, slowly leaves the silver tray. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. It was good. Very good, rather. It was, but little bit of expression was lacking. Because, see, whenever you are telling a story, I'm repeating from the beginning till now, you have to have a lot of expression. Like Divya ma'am tried a little bit of expressions was there. Okay, so a little bit more, Shweta ma'am, your expression should have been there because you were saying that you were very sad, like that. Okay, so no more expressions. And you know where most of you are going wrong, when you are coming to a class, you should not say, I will introduce two letter. It is always, you know what? Today, two friends are going to come to your class who together is giving one sound. Who are those two friends? Ah and E. Never say A and I, because AI never makes the sound A. It is ah and E making the sound A. So most of you are not, you are just starting with the letter, with the name of the letters. No, you should start with the sound. Correct?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah.
Now, who
Good,
is
good, very
there
good.
for the
Good evening, ma'am.
Kalyani Patil.
name? Tell me your name first.
Kalyani Patil. Hello.
Okay, Kalyani ji. You will be in team or alone?
No, individual, ma'am.
Individual?
Yeah.
Just a minute. अभी तो ये तो क्या है? Yes.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Kalyani Patil. We learn about ch sound. We learn about ch sound. Oh, who are you? I'm Charlie. Charlie the champ. Oh, you are Charlie. This is the Charlie. Charlie the champ. Are you excited to know about him? Okay. Charlie is a champ. Charlie is a champ. He plays with choo-choo-choo-choo train. The train chants cha-cha-cha. He likes to eat chili. He likes to eat chili. He sits on the chair. He played chess. He had a red cheeks and red chin. So he has a Charlie is a champ. Thank you.
Perfect way of introduction. That was actually, you have just banged on. You've hit the bullseye. That is what it was lacking in most of you. This is the correct way. I'm introducing a sound ch. Never say digraph. Don't say ch, two letters. No, it is the sound ch. It is the sound ch. The term digraph or diphthong, it's for you to know.
Yeah.
It is not necessary the children should know that ch means digraph. Ch makes one sound ch. That's it.
Yeah.
She
Very
just
nice, Kalyani ji,
banged
very
on
nice.
it. Very
you, ma'am.
nice, Kalyani ji. The expression
You
was
said-
there.
Yes, Charlie, thank you.
Bye-bye, Charlie. So it was
Okay,
like,
ma'am.
absolutely, the story was nice. The children could relate with the story. The prop was very apt with the sound. So everything, but it was an overall perfect.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Next.
Now, who is next? Namita ji,
evening,
you
ma'am.
want to come?
Yes, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. You are in team or you will be doing
No,
alone?
no, individual, ma'am.
Okay, go
Positive
ahead.
spirit.
Yes. Yes.
Good evening, everyone. Today I will tell you a story of a sound. Once there was a girl named Annie. Annie like an apple. One day she was climbing a tree to pluck an apple. While climbing, an ant bit her on the leg. Bit on her the leg. Then she cried, So the sound of A is A. Thank you, ma'am.
Your props were fantastic. Very nice props. Full marks on your props. It was really, really nice. But
Thank you,
never
ma'am.
say, they will never say that the sound of A is the way Kalyani ma'am said, na, I'm going to introduce something which is, very, you can hear it. Let's see. So here
Okay, ma'am.
comes Anna, Anna.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay. And it's not
Okay.
teeny, it's tiny.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Thank you.
Now who is there? Are we done with the story? Meenuji, you have Meenuji, Namita ji, have you given the story? Meenu Tiwari and any participant remaining for the story, please.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. I'll tell on Friday, ma'am. I'm not able
Okay,
to tell
okay,
today.
no problem, no problem.
Okay, ma'am.
Devjani ji, can we do some revision part now?
Yes, I'm coming to that. Not revision. First, I will just give a review of the whole thing that.
Yeah, please.
So see.
Ma'am, good evening, ma'am.
Now, good evening.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I'm Kavita, ma'am.
Just, yeah, Kavita ji, your story is pending?
Yes, ma'am. Individual only, ma'am. We are taking story phonics group 1 sounds, ma'am.
Just a minute. Kavita Mishra ji, no?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Kavita ji.
Okay. Just a minute. Kavita ji or I? Just a minute.
It's a G, only G. Kavita, THA, Kavita G. Capital.
Kavita G only, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Let me.
Ma'am, I will start, ma'am.
Just give me few seconds. Let me pin you now. Then, can you raise your hand, please? I am not. Yes.
Ma'am, power of man.
Your camera is on now?
Yes, ma'am.
Let me.
Ma'am, raise the hands, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, go ahead. By walking, you will give me the. Okay, go ahead. Okay, Sangeeta ji. Okay, fine.
Power cut, ma'am.
Power cut, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So you want to tell story right now and next time you will.
Yes, ma'am. I will tell story, ma'am.
Okay.
Group 1 sounds, ma'am.
Okay.
We are taking group 1 sounds. Jolly Sunday. Jolly Sunday. Jolly Sunday. I'm home sitting the sofa, eating the apple. Nicely eating apple. Suddenly, apple. Suddenly, bite the hands. Ants. I washed the tap. Water. Tap. Something suddenly one different sounds. Scribbling the coming the snakes. Big snakes coming. I'm shocked. The snakes in the grass, the snakes in the grass, the snakes in the grass. Next, I will see in the sun. Wash the soap sound, snake sound, sun sound, tap sound, tap. Open the tap, wash your hands. Yeah, ma'am.
Your ending was very nice because this is how the story should end. That what are the sounds that you heard in the story? So your introduction was also very nice. That we are going to today. You're going to I'm going to tell you a story. Just start with like that. That I'm going to tell you a story. Who are interested? Then you tell the story and pick up those words which the sounds you are actually wanting to tell them. Right? Suppose you're wanting to tell them the sound b. So there in our story, there was a b, there was a ball, there was a bush, there was a bee, there was a bus. So you highlight those words like the boy was playing with a ball, and the ball went behind the bush. So once the story is told, then you can say, so what are the new words we heard? Behind, bush, boy. So what is the sound? Ba. Then you say. So now tell me, if you do these stories in your class with the prop, with your children enactment, role play, puppet show, do you think that it is not going to work?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Work, ma'am.
That's work.
Will that work?
Yes, ma'am.
But don't tell the story in a very flat way. See, only effective way of narrating story is your body language and the fun. Because storytelling, the first element of storytelling is the entertainment.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Entertainment. So then comes the other. See, if the children are happy, if you are happy, the learning will fall in place. So I repeat again, the terms that you are learning here, the magic key, the diphthong, digraph, blends, segmenting, these are all for you to know.
Okay. Okay.
When you are telling the children, cha, 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 how cha is formed. Here is ka and here is her. When they come together, they come close. They got absolutely close. And what happened? When they were very close, a new sound comes out from them. That is cha. So when cha comes, you cannot hear ka, you cannot hear her. You can only hear what? Ch, ch, ch. That is it. That is it. When you are talking about blending, you can say frog jumped from the top and fell in the and plushed in the pool, and then there was a splash of water. So when you are telling them splash, you can hear both the sound. You don't need to say this is a blending, this is a digraph.
Okay, ma'am.
Right. Because they will not. Yes, of course you can. When you are taking a UKG, you can use this terminology.
Ma'am, your voice are not here, ma'am.
My voice is not clear?
Yes, ma'am.
No one can hear me?
No, it's audible. Kavita maybe network issues are there.
I'm able to hear you. I'm able to hear you, ma'am.
Yeah, we can hear you. Not a problem.
You are audible.
Okay. So now tell me where you are still confused. Please speak up. Otherwise, I won't be understanding that. And do you think that this is, if you take this into your classroom, will it help you or not? These two feedback I need.
Yes, Dad. Yes, ma'am. Your voice not here.
Yes, ma'am. It will help us.
Kavita ji, check your network. I think I'm audible to everybody.
Yes, you are
Yes, ma'am,
audible.
you are audible. Maybe her network is not working.
Yeah.
So what do you think? What do you tell me? Tell me where you are getting confused and what is the difficulties, the challenges. Like Neeti ma'am said, ki this is, so I cleared her doubts. Right,
Yes,
that
ma'am.
how you are going to do that. So similarly, please speak. If you don't tell me that, I won't be understanding that where I am going wrong.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Narayani ma'am.
Ma'am, as you told, diphthongs and digraphs. So this, suppose diphthong and digraph, we should not introduce these two words to the children. Am I right?
You have to understand that which level you are doing.
UKG level.
UKG level, you can always say. See, they will understand because because you can enact, you can do a role play, and when sk and her coming together close, and a new sound is formed. You cannot hear me?
Ma'am, it is blending. Frog, clock, these are blending.
No, I'm talking about ch. Suppose we are introducing ch. So you can say k and her, two friends. They were walking together, then they hold their hand and they came close. And they were so close that a new sound came out from them. And it was so different. See, you cannot hear ka, neither you can hear cha. This is called
digraph.
Right?
And when I introduce diphthong to the children, what definition?
Your
sound is very low, ma'am.
My sound?
No, Kavita ji, your network
We're not
issues are
able
the
to hear
problem.
her.
We can
The
hear
maximum
her.
one.
It's
Who
very
cannot
low.
hear me? Who cannot hear me?
We can hear you, Devjani ji.
Yes, ma'am, we can hear you very clearly.
Okay.
Yeah.
So when you are using saying diphthong, how will you say that there are two magic friends? The magic sound A and I. Are they consonants? No. They are the magic sound, right? So when magic sound same comes together very close, they are giving what? Suppose A and I you are talking about. Can you hear A and E? I? No. We can hear only A. This is called diphthong.
This much is enough for the children. UKG level.
Enough. More than enough.
Okay, ma'am. By the way, this is for us, for the teachers. Suppose all vowel to vowel, these are diphthong. Am I correct? Okay.
Absolutely, you're correct. All
And
vowel to vowels, all consonant to consonant, consonant to vowels are diphthongs.
okay,
Sorry,
then how
digraphs.
to then how
Digraphs, sorry. Digraphs. And only vowel to vowels are diphthong. Yeah.
diphthong. So all the diphthongs are not digraph.
All diphthongs are digraphs.
Digraphs, right? Okay.
But all digraphs are not
Are not
diphthong.
diphthong.
Because consonants. Twinkle ji, can you mute? Yeah. Some. Yeah. So, how will you say that when only two magic letters comes together are called diphthongs? Okay. So, naturally, in digraph, everybody is digraph. Everybody is digraph. We all are digraph. Even the principal is a teacher, right?
Yes.
But she is special. So she is called principal. All are teachers. We all are teachers. A principal, a director, the rectors, they're all teachers. We all are teachers. But we get some special recognitions. Right?
Thank you, ma'am.
We name them as a principal, rectors, directors, like that. But all teachers. But all teachers are not principal.
Yes.
All teachers are not rectors. Similarly, the difference between the diphthong and digraph is this. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So what do you think that Jolly Phonics is really going to help you? Because there are so many.
It's helping.
so
We are
many-
following the same rule in school also. So it's for absolutely it's helping the children.
It will make your stress also little, because they have got lot of explanation through story. So when you're telling them through stories, they will understand it. The understanding level becomes much more. So any more questions? Anything?
We will be keeping up one more class, revision class for all of you, so that if you have any doubts, please clear in that class. Devjani ji?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Yeah. Because few people have not understood. So let's keep a revision class, then we will see. And next class also we will be doing revision work also, and the remaining participants will be doing storytelling competition. Any questions for the time being? कोई question है आप लोगों का? So we will be meeting tomorrow again at the same time, 4 p.m. for the class.
Okay.
Is it okay with everyone?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. It's okay.
Okay, fine. We'll be meeting tomorrow for the class again, and we'll be doing revision work again.
Sure, ma'am.
So those who have not understood or think that Jollyphonic is not going to work in the class, please do let me know tomorrow openly. Then I will explain you how it becomes helpful to you. Okay, and how you are going to introduce the things.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Okay, fine. Thank you everyone for joining us.
ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Devjani ji. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye, ma'am.